Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you about applying text filters in Excel. In our previous video we have learned how to apply normal filter in Excel, but in filter also there are various subcategories, like we can apply text filter, we can apply date filter, or we can apply filter on numbers, we can apply filter with the help of cell color or with the help of font color. So these are the various types. So out of this, in this video we will focus only on the applying text filter in the Excel. Okay. For this I have prepared a dummy data which you can see on the screen. So this data contains some kind of sales of few products, few electronic products, and here I have mentioned the date on which the product has been sold, the name of the product, then the region in which it is sold, and the number of items sold in each region on particular date. Okay, so we have already learned about applying filter, but for the new joiners and new subscribers I will explain you once again. To apply the filter we have to select the header row, which is I have selected here, and after that we have to go to the data tab. Once we click on this data tab, we can see the filter option here, or filter command here. Click on this, and with the help of this we can see filter is now applied. Okay, now text filter will get applied only on the cells which contain text. Okay, so in our data, column D and column E, so these are the only two columns which contains only text. So if we click here on this filter button, we can see text filters option. Okay, so under text filter there are various categories, like we can filter the text based on the value which is equal to the input value, which is does not equal to input value, which begins with the input value, which ends with the input value. Then next option is which contains with the input value, which does not contains with the input value, and again the last option is custom filter. So I will explain you all these options one by one. Okay, we will take the same example of this data as you can see on the screen. Okay, so the first option is equals. For example, if we want to apply the text filter which has equal, means we want to filter the values which is equal to laptop, and we click on OK, we can see that the values for the laptop will now get filtered as you can see on the screen. Okay, so we will clear this filter. The next option is does not equal to. Here again we will input the value as laptop. Okay, so it will filter the values which does not equal to laptop. Okay, here now we can see that all the values which are does not equal to laptop are now filtered on our screen. Okay, so this is again we will clear the filter. Now the next option is begins with. Now we can filter the values which begins with letter M. Okay, if we input the letter M, it means we have to filter the values which begins with M. Once we click on the OK button, we can see that all the products which begins with M, for example mobile and mobile cover, these two products begins with M, that are filtered on our screen. Okay, once again we will clear the filter. The next option is ends with. Okay, now it means we can filter the values which are going to end with the provided input value. For example, if we enter the input value as R, it means we are asking Excel to filter the values which ends with letter R. Okay, once we click on the OK button, we can see that all the product names which ends with R, for example speaker, mobile cover, laptop charger. Okay, so these are the products which are ending with letter R are now filtered on our Excel screen. Okay, then we will again clear the filter and go for the next option. Okay, then we will next option is contains. Okay, contains means it will filter all the values which contains the input value. For example, if we provide the input value as S, the Excel will filter all the values, product names which contains letter S. Once we click on the OK button, we can see that all the product names for example television, speaker. Okay, so these are the two product names which contains letter L. So that are these products are filtered on our Excel screen. We will clear the filter and go for the next option. Next option is does not contain. So if we provide again the input S, so in this case Excel will filter all the product names which does not contain letter S. If we click on the OK button, we can see that all the product names which are filtered does not contain letter S. Okay, now we will clear this filter and go for the last option, which is custom filter. So in this case we can customize our criteria. For example, if we want to provide the input which is we can say that begins with, here we can change our options. Okay, for example, if we provide this as begins with M, and here also two options and OR. So in this case we will select OR, and we will select another input which will end with letter R. So what does it mean? We are asking Excel to filter the values which will either begin with M or ends with R. If we click on the OK button, we can see that okay, the values which are begins with M or which are ending with the R are now filtered on our Excel screen. So these are all the text filter options, and you can filter your values based on the text available in the respective columns. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.